Welcome to my channel. I am Balachandran. This video contains a simple study of William Shakespeare's celebrated play The Tempest. The Tempest is one of the most original and perfect of William Shakespeare's plays. It has the structure of a classical play. Shakespeare has blended a number of themes with the perfect artistry. Sin and forgiveness, acquisition of power, art and nature, romantic love, and colonization are some of them. Shakespeare's treatment of the themes is more compact, poetical, and symbolic. Prospero, the victim of his brother's treachery, acquires enough power to take a deadly revenge on his brother by studying magic. But at the end, he avoids the course of revenge. He decides to pardon his enemies, who are now quite at his mercy, as he finds them penitent enough to be forgiven. Forgiveness is followed by reconciliation and freedom. The Tempest has all the features of a dramatic romance. A dramatic romance ends with forgiveness and reconciliation. It has a fairy tale atmosphere. Improbable events and situations are taken as normal. Supernatural elements and wild adventures are its characteristics. Human passion, violence, love, and conflicts are also their features. In the end, conflicts are resolved and a new harmony is achieved. The reunion of parted kindreds is also a theme of it. The Tempest has all these features. The presence of the supernatural elements is one of the fascinating features of the Tempest. We are transported to a world of spirits which interacts with the human world. We reach an enchanted island where Prospero, the protagonist, can do anything with his magic. At the same time, Shakespeare restricts the supernatural effects to a limited time and area. The skillful use of magic and supernaturalism is a striking feature of The Tempest. The Tempest has the features of a pastoral romance dominated by the theme of love. Love is presented in all its forms in the play. The most notable of them is the love between the young lovers Ferdinand and Miranda. It is instinctive and natural, not the kind of possessive romantic love. Love is present in other characters also in different forms. One charming feature of the Tempest is the elaborate mask. Mask was a fashionable form of entertainment in the 16th and 17th centuries in England. The mask impresses the audience by its spectacles and costumes, by scenery and color, by music and dance. It has exquisite poetry and dialogue, but little action or plot. Prospero arranges the mask to celebrate the betrothal of Miranda and Ferdinand. Music is a very important element in the play. It contributes much to the charm of the play. Most of the characters in the play feel the power of this lingering music. The pervasive presence of the music evokes the atmosphere of a romantic dream or vision. It serves as a central image which contrasts with the tempest or the storm. The music symbolizes the calm, the harmony and beauty which follow the turbulence of the storm. Apart from its literal meaning, the Tempest has an allegorical meaning also. The allegorical implications are both personal and political. Prospero has been taken as Shakespeare himself. Prospero's art of magic is Shakespeare's creative art. Prospero's renunciation of magic is symbolic of Shakespeare's farewell to the theatre. At the political level, the play is an allegorical representation of colonization. Prospero can be taken as the colonizer and Caliban as the colonized. Caliban represents the subjugated people, the victims of old world colonization. The central message of the play, however, is an ethical one. It highlights the importance of forgiveness and reconciliation as a way out of the destructive pattern of crime and revenge. The title of the play, The Tempest, is appropriate both at the literal and symbolic levels. The play opens with a tempest at sea. King Alonso's ship is caught in the storm, and the crew of the ship try desperately to rescue it from destruction. In the Elizabethan writing, the tempest was a usual symbol for the passions. Prospero feels a conflict within himself between his instinct for revenge and his impulse to forgive. The tempest metaphorically expresses this conflict in his mind. Thus, after the opening scene, the title achieves the status of a central metaphor in the play. There is a dramatic moment in the play from the tempest to calm seas and fair weather. In the tempest, Shakespeare has observed all the three unities of the classical drama: time, place, and action. All the events in the play take place in an afternoon within a period less than 4 hours. All the scenes are laid in Prospero's island except the opening scene. All the subordinate events in the play contribute to a great and complete action which is centered on Prospero's magical power and his discreet and kindly treatment of his enemies. The observation of the three unities and the compactness of the plot give the play the quality of a classical drama, though its essential spirit is romantic. The Tempest stands as one of the best plays of William Shakespeare and one of the most popular plays in world literature.